Hello guys, in this video I'll be explaining how I do top-down analysis on gold trade. What I'm expecting from markets this week on gold. What I'm expecting from market this week from gold and Bitcoin. Okay, so watch to the end because this video will be helpful to you. Okay, and so let's proceed immediately from the top-down analysis. I'll go to my daily time frame. What was happening during the last week was that market was there consolidating. Market was consolidating from this place here, and I drew this resistance level here from the high time frame. If market was able to break this level, that is break and retest, then I'm expecting a buy to the upside. Now market has confirmed the break and closure with a high with momentum candlestick. This signifies a buy to the upside. And now what market is doing now is that I'm expecting a pullback to this place here. But before that, what I have here on a lower time frame is that for our this zone, I'm expecting market to come back to this zone here because this is the last support level here that I have here from the gold market from a higher time frame. So the reason why I'm expecting sell to this place before going back to the upside, if market opens next week, let's go to the DXY index. Now because this is where I monitor the price movement, especially on gold, because from what I'm seeing here now, market has broken resistance level here. This is a resistance level here, support level. Now support level has become a resistance level, and what I'm expecting from market now is for gold to come back to this level here, then start going back up. So as gold now is going back to the upside now, from as DXY is going back to the upside like this now, so that is when gold will be selling. If DXY is going up, is going bullish. If DXY is going bullish, that means gold is going vice versa. Because whenever gold index is strong, dollar index is strong, gold is weak. So whenever index is weak, gold is strong. So what happened to this buy here is because of this one is going up, that means the index was going down. Index is going bearish and gold is gaining momentum to the upside. So as soon as market come back to this place here and start going back down, that means that is when I'm expecting gold to continue going bullish. Are you getting my point? But there's a two possible zone here, because if you look closely, is either index come back to this place then reject to downside, or it breaks it then start going back up. And also here on DXY, but I'll also explain what's happening on gold now, on Bitcoin, sorry. If you look here closely, here is a resistance level. Here is a resistance level from the higher time frame. But I just want to come down and explain this to you. Here is a resistance level from the higher time frame. So the more gold is rejecting, is showing rejection, that is respecting this zone here. Because as you can see, this is the last break of structure to the downside. High probability break of structure to the downside. So since market is respecting this zone here, so that means on DXY index, is that if market breaks this place and come back, reject and start going back up, that means on gold will respect this zone here. then start going back down. And if market is continue going back down, that means this zone here, what I'm expecting now is for market to come back to this place here. That's it. That is it. Hope we got what I'm saying. This is what I'm expecting now. If DXY was able to break that resistance level, if DXY is able to break this level here, then to the upside. If DXY is able to show this something like this to the upside, that means I'm expecting sell on gold. There's nothing they can do about it. I'm expecting sell on gold. But whenever DXY dollar index is bullish, gold is bearish, because now it's approaching a resistance level. Meanwhile, gold is also approaching support level. Hope you get what I'm saying. If you don't understand it, start from the beginning and watch this video again. So this is what I'm expecting from gold. If DXY, what I'm expecting from DXY, if it happen, I'm expecting a bullish trend to the upside. So now let me draw my tool again, that my resistance level tool again. So now on a norm, what I'm expecting from gold, because normally I don't trade on Monday. I don't normally trade on Monday. Even if I want to trade, is from that New York session and from 12 p.m. downward. So that's when I normally trade on Monday. Because what I'm seeing now, gold is still going back up and DXY is about to continue bearish. Because if you look at it, I was taking this buy yesterday on Friday, but due to before this occurred, is already during 5 o'clock. New York session is in the evening section of New York session, evening period of New York session. So I'm not encouraged to enter for a buy here. What I'm expecting is very, very simple. What I'm expecting from there is very, very simple. Just a break to the upside, because there's still possibility gold will come here, breaks, then start going to this level here. That means I'll be expecting buy from this side here. I'm expecting buy from this side. So if you find this video helpful now, like and subscribe. I don't see the reason why you don't have to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and like and subscribe to the channel, share this video, and also don't forget to tell me your own opinion from the market, because that is where I also learn from you guys. Okay, so tell me your own opinion from the market. And also I'm currently planning on getting a prop firm account. And my recommended broker is Funding Pips. I'll still do a video on that when the time comes, explaining Funding Pips, getting a prop firm, because I will be getting a prop firm no matter how little it is. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting from these two markets here. I don't want to stay long on this trade here. So then if DXY come back to this place and breaks, if DXY finally reject to this place, then come back here, then break this place, that means gold. If you know how to buy gold, you buy. If you know how to buy, you buy. Because if it eventually happen, this is what I'm expecting from gold, from DXY. That's what I'm saying. If you know how to buy gold, you buy. So, and this will happen for a long period of time, and I mark this out from the daily higher time frame. As you can see, this is here, perfect. So that's what I'm expecting from gold if market opens. Okay. So you can say like and subscribe now on Bitcoin, BTC USD, and also sorry, let me go to my lower higher time frame. Because there is still high possibility that gold will start going back up right from that moment. There is very high chance, because swing traders will understood this, better. If market come back to this place, that is perfect. But if it didn't, that means those that cut straight from here as a swing trader, you bought at the lowest price and you're expecting high amount of money, because once market is break this level here, that means gold is going back up. And you know, when gold is about to go back up, one of the things you notice is you start seeing the momentum is usually different. Like, see how long it take go to break. After it break this level, then start going back up. You see how it moves very well, it's moving very well, and it's moving perfectly, just going straight like that. But see when it's doing its pullback, see the way it's doing this one, and this is what I'm even seeing that is about to happen on gold currently now. So this is the last break of which I'm expecting market to come back, then sweep liquidity. Then this is why me, if gold is able to come out to this level here, that means I'll buy gold as a swing trade, then leave it until it breaks this level here, and that is huge amount of money. Okay, that is huge amount of money. That is huge amount of money if gold is able to break that level. So currently, let's wait for market opening to know what's going on, to know what's up. Let me go and draw that level again. Let me draw the level again. Because the blue one is from minus zone, market is likely to break. So that's when I'm using blue line to put on this kind of on this type of zones. Blue line, just markets will break definitely, and it will break it. So now let's go down to BTC. Wow, Bitcoin is coming down with a high momentum. And this is a perfect example of buying Bitcoin from here. Okay. Since I caught this trade very early, let me take the Bitcoin trade. Abby, what do you think? I want to enter. Sorry, I want to enter for a buy on Bitcoin. I'm already in on this trade. 62508. Six four 296. So I'm pushing is this drawdown. But let's see how it goes before the end of before tomorrow though. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that is it guys. That's it guys. I will still update you guys on gold, Bitcoin. Let me know what's up. So like and subscribe to this channel. Like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.